Okay, na? Right. Okay, again, welcome back. Some basic concepts of chemistry. In the previous class, we discussed atomic mass, molecular mass, molar mass, and average atomic mass. Once again, atomic mass. Atomic mass means mass of one atom only. Mass of one atom. Suppose you take oxygen atom. Oxygen atom, atomic mass is 16 AMU. You know that atomic mass unit, 1 AMU. So 16 AMU means then this is 16 times heavier than 1 AMU. 1 AMU equals to 1/12 of mass of C12 atom. Then this equals to 16 into 1/12 of mass of carbon 12 atom. Then this equals to 1.66 into 10 power minus 24 grams. This is mass of one atom of oxygen, atomic mass. Molecular mass. Molecular mass means mass of one molecule. You take oxygen molecule. First one is oxygen atom. This one oxygen molecule. Oxygen always exists in diatomic molecule. That's why it is called dioxygen. Dioxygen. What is oxygen molecule? Its molecular mass is 32 AMU. 32 AMU means the mass of one oxygen molecule 32 times heavier than 1 AMU, or 32 times heavier than 1/12 of mass of carbon 12 atom, or 32 times heavier than 1.66 into 10 power minus 24 grams. This is mass of one oxygen molecule. Molar mass. Next, molar mass. Molar mass means mass of 1 mole molecules. Mass of 1 mole molecules. Or mass of Avogadro number molecules. Mass of Avogadro number molecules. So, you take same oxygen molar mass, O2. Its molar mass is 32 AMU. This indicates 32 into 1 AMU equals to 1.66 into 10 power minus 24 grams. Then this is mass of one molecule into Avogadro number. 6.022 into 10 power 23. Avogadro number. This is Avogadro's number indicated by Na. It is mass of 1/12 of carbon 12 atom. This equals to 1 by Na. 1 by Na. The product of this one equals to 1. Now, molar mass of oxygen equals to 32 grams. 32 grams is the molar mass of oxygen. Molar mass of oxygen. Then this you can say you what? Gram molecular weight. Gram molecular weight. Gram molecular weight means mass of 1 mole molecules. Mass of 1 mole molecules expressed in grams. Expressed in grams, then it is called gram molecular weight. So gram molecular weight of oxygen is 32 grams. This is called gram molecular weight. Mass of 1 mole molecules expressed in grams is called gram molecular weight or gram molecular mass. This equals to or gram molecular weight. Gram molecular weight means mass of 1 mole molecules. Mass of 1 mole molecules. This is also known as gram molecule. This is also called as gram molecule. Gram molecule. Copy this. Okay. Next, gram atom. Gram atom. Gram atom or gram atomic weight. Or gram molar mass of atom. Gram molar mass of atom. This is nothing but gram atomic weight. Gram atomic weight. Mass of Avogadro number atoms expressed in grams is called gram atomic weight or gram molar mass of an atom. Gram atom, that indicates mass of Avogadro number atoms or mass of 1 mole atoms. Suppose you take oxygen. What is the atomic mass of oxygen? 16 AMU. The mass of this oxygen expressed in grams, then it is called gram atomic mass or gram atomic weight. Then this is 16 into 1.66 into 10 power minus 24 grams into Avogadro's number 6.022 into 10 power 23. This equals to 16 grams. This is called gram atomic weight of oxygen. Mass of Avogadro number atoms expressed in grams is called gram atomic weight or gram atomic mass. Then this is expressed in grams. The units for gram atomic weight or gram molecular weight, grams per mole. Grams per mole. Next, in this basics, very important terminology is mole. Then what is mole? See here. Mole. 6.022 into 10 power 23, you know this. This is Avogadro's number. The substance which contains Avogadro numbers particles, the substance is called 1 mole substance. That is, 1 mole of any substance contains 6.022 into 10 power 23 particles. 10 power 23 particles. Particle means atoms or molecules or ions, etc. Whatever it is, you can say anything. That is 1 mole. Suppose, then this is chalk piece. 6.022 into 10 power 23 chalk piece equals to 1 mole. Then this is 1 unit. Mole is 1 unit. 1 mole equals to 6.022 into 10 power 23. Then this is a very big number, large number. Generally in the day-to-day life, you can use one word when you are buying the bananas in the market. Then how you can buy that? How units? Kgs or any liters? Generally you can ask how much the dozen. Dozen is every person knows. Then that is very familiar. Then that is 1 unit. Dozen. Dozen equals to 12. That is frequently used word in the daily life. But it is also same that kind of unit. But it is not frequently used in our daily life. But in chemistry, this word is very important to mole. In this large number of particles are taken as a simple 1 unit, then that is called mole. 6.022 into 10 power 23. This much of particles, this much of species, or this much of ions, or that much of atoms or molecules, whatever, called 1 mole. Why in chemistry taken as a large number like a simple term mole? Because more number of atoms, ions involved in the chemical reactions. The using the quantity in numbers is very difficult to calculate. That's why it is taken as a standard. Why 6.022 into 10 power 23 taken as standard? 1 mole. What is the reason? That means carbon 12 isotope. Carbon 12 isotope. 12 grams of carbon 12 isotope contains 6.022 into 10 power 23 atoms. Carbon 12 isotope, 12 grams of carbon 12 isotope contains 6.022 into 10 power 23 atoms. This number is taken as 1 mole. This number is called Avogadro's number. 1 Avogadro number equals to 1 mole. Then this is standard. 12 grams of carbon 12 contains 6.022 into 10 power 23 atoms. This equals to Avogadro number. If any substance contains Avogadro number particles, that substance is called 1 mole. Avogadro number particles. Particles may be atoms or molecules or ions. Now, molar mass, molecular weight, gram atomic weight, these all are based on mole. Mass of 1 mole atoms expressed in grams is called gram atomic weight. Mass of 1 mole molecules expressed in grams is called gram molecular weight. It is related to Avogadro's number. 1 Avogadro number equals to 1 mole. This equals to 1 mole. Now 1 mole of oxygen equals to 1 mole of oxygen equals to 32 grams. 1 mole of oxygen equals to 32 grams. 1 mole of hydrogen equals to 2 grams. 1 mole of carbon dioxide. 1 mole of carbon dioxide equals to 44 grams. What is the molecular weight of carbon dioxide? Molecular weight equals to sum of the atomic weights. Molecular weight equals to sum of the atomic weights. Suppose you take this is oxygen. How many oxygens are present in this? 2 oxygens. Okay. Then this is 16 AMU, 16 AMU. Expressed in grams, then that is gram molecular mass. 16 plus 16 is equals to 32. Hydrogen. How many hydrogens are present in hydrogen molecule? H2. 2 hydrogen atoms are present in 1 hydrogen molecule. Mass of 1 hydrogen atom is 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Then 2 grams is mass of 1 mole of hydrogen. Carbon dioxide. 1 carbon plus how many oxygens? 2 oxygens. Okay, you can write here like O plus O, 2 H plus H, 2 hydrogens, C plus O plus O. Like you can count the atomic mass. What is atomic mass of carbon? 12. Oxygen? This oxygen? 16. Total? 44. Like this. This is molecular weight of carbon dioxide. 44 grams of carbon dioxide contains how many molecules? 44 grams of carbon dioxide contains how many molecules? Do that. "44 grams of carbon dioxide containing molecules equals to 44 grams of carbon dioxide containing molecules." Simple. Here the solution. What is the molecular weight of carbon dioxide? Molecular weight, this is called gram molecular weight. Gram molecular weight means mass of 1 mole molecules of carbon dioxide expressed in grams. Then it is called gram molecular weight. Gram molecular weight of carbon dioxide equals to 12 plus 16 plus 16 equals to 44 grams. 44 grams. 44 grams is the molecular weight of carbon dioxide. Molecular weight of carbon dioxide, then that is gram molecular weight of carbon dioxide. You know the definition of gram molecular weight. Mass of 1 mole molecule expressed in grams. Mass of 1 mole molecules means 1 mole equals to 1 Avogadro number. Then this equals to 6.022 into 10 power 23. Okay. So then this is 44 grams. 44 grams equals to 1 mole. 1 mole contains 6.022 into 10 power 23 molecules. Okay. You know that carbon dioxide gram molecular weight is 44 grams. Okay. So in this very important step, how to calculate the number of moles and number of molecules present in given substance. Number of moles and number of molecules present in the given substance. Suppose question is asked 88 grams of carbon dioxide, 88 grams of carbon dioxide contain number of moles. Number of moles. 88 grams of carbon dioxide contain number of moles, or how many moles? The calculation of number of moles. Number of moles equals to number of moles equals to weight of the substance, weight of the substance in grams, weight of the substance in grams divided by gram molecular weight of the substance. Very important one this. Number of moles of any substance you can calculate like this. Number of moles equals to weight of the substance in grams divided by gram molecular weight of the substance. Now you calculate how many moles of carbon dioxide present in 88 grams. How many? 2 moles. Very good. 2 moles. Number of moles N equals to weight of the substance is given 88. Molecular weight, gram molecular weight of carbon dioxide is 44 grams. You know that. Equals to number of moles is obtained now. Next, number of molecules. Number of molecules. Number of moles, how you can calculate? Number of moles equals to weight of the substance by gram molecular weight of the substance. Then how many moles is obtained now? 88 grams is given. Its molecular weight is 44 grams equals to 2. Number of moles of carbon dioxide. Now number of molecules. Number of molecules equals to number of moles of the substance into Avogadro number. Into Avogadro's number. 10A. Number of moles into Avogadro's number. Number of moles equals to N into Na. Number of moles is obtained 2 moles into 6.022 into 10 power 23 molecules. Then this equals to 12.044 into 10 power 23 molecules. Number of molecules of carbon dioxide is obtained 12.044 into 10 power 23 molecules. Clear? number of gram atoms of sodium present in 43 grams of sodium. Then you can take, this is instead of 43, you can take 46 grams. Number of gram atoms. Gram atom means mass of 1 mole atoms expressed in grams is called gram atom or gram atomic weight. Gram atomic weight. 1 gram atom equals to mass of 1 mole atoms. Sodium atomic mass is 23. Number of gram atoms means number of moles. Number of gram atoms equals to number of moles of atoms. Number of gram atoms equals to number of moles of atoms. Number of moles of atoms. Number of gram atoms equals to mass of the substance in grams by gram atomic weight. Gram atomic weight. Then this is the formula. Number of gram atoms are number of moles. Then what is the solution for that? 43 grams of the substance is given, that is sodium. 46 divided by gram atom or molecule atomic weight. Atomic weight of sodium is 23 equals to 2 moles of sodium is present or 2 moles of sodium atoms are present. Based on this concept, in the next class, we can discuss the problems. Okay? Right.